Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix unsend message problem on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly, right next to it, you're gonna find your profile section. So right now, we're going to go to the direct messages and then we're going to go to this conversation, for example. And then, for example, I'm going to send a message. And then basically, guys, the unsent message problem could be just, for example, if you want to unsend this message and you click on unsend, it won't be deleted. So basically, guys, this problem has a lot of reasons. One of the reasons is just your internet connection. If you have a bad internet connection, you won't be able to unsend the message. There is also another reason is maybe your application is not up to date. So basically, guys, if you want to update your Instagram application, first of all, go ahead and leave Instagram. Go to Play Store or App Store, depending on which phone you have. Click on it and then go to the search section. Click on the search bar and then search for Instagram. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find uninstall. And right next to it, you're going to find update if your application is not up to date. Go ahead and click on update. And then just wait for your application to finish updating. And once the update has finished downloading, go ahead and click on open. And this will take you back to Instagram. And after that, try to unsend your message and then your problem should be fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.